Welcome to the Math School by IFRA. In this video, we are going to discuss tree diagrams. In probability theory, a tree diagram may be used to represent a probability space. Tree diagrams may represent a series of independent events or conditional probabilities. Each node on the diagram represents an event and is associated with the probability of the event. Let's have a look at some of the questions. This is an example number 1. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 green balls. A ball is drawn at random and then replaced. Another ball is drawn. What is the probability that both the balls are green? Draw a tree diagram to illustrate this. Okay, this is basically a tree diagram. Probability of red is 5 by 8. In the first branch, probability of green is 3 by 8. Then we have probability of red is 5 by 8. Probability of green is 3 by 8. So probability of red into red is 5 by 8 into 5 by 8. Probability of red into green is 5 by 8 into 3 by 8. Probability of green and probability of red is 3 by 8 into 5 by 8. Probability of green and green is 3 by 8 into 3 by 8. So we have to find the probability of 2 green balls. So the probability of 2 green balls is 3 by 8 into 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 into 3 by 8, which is 9 over 64, is basically our answer. Okay, let's have a look at example 2. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 green balls. A ball is selected at random and not replaced. A second ball is then selected. Find the probability of selecting 2 green balls, 1 red ball and 1 green ball. Okay, this is basically the tree diagram. Probability of red is 5 by 8. Probability of green is 3 by 8. In the second branch, probability of red is 4 by 7. Probability of green is 3 by 7. Probability of red is 5 by 7. Probability of green is 2 by 7 since the ball was drawn and not replaced. So the probability of 2 green balls is 3 by 8 into 2 by 7. Probability of green into green is 3 by 8 into 2 by 7, that is 6 over 56, and that is 3 over 28 in its simplest form. And the probability of 1 red ball and 1 green ball is 5 by 8 into 3 by 7. That can be red green or green red, red green or green red. So 5 by 8 into 3 by 7 plus 3 by 8 into 5 by 7. That is 15 over 28 is our answer. The total answer in its lowest form. Okay, let's have a look at this question. A bag contains 10 discs. 7 are black and 3 are white. A disc is selected and then replaced. A second disc is selected. Find the probability of the following: that both the discs are black and then both the discs are white. Okay, so this is basically the tree diagram. Probability of black is 7 by 10, probability of white is 3 by 10, and then in the second branch, probability of black is 7 by 10, probability of white is 3 by 10. Over here, probability of black is 7 by 10, probability of white is 3 by 10. Probability of two discs are black is 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. Probability of black and white is 7 by 10 into 3 by 10. Probability of white and black is 3 by 10 into 7 by 10. Probability of white into white is 3 by 10 into 3 by 10. So probability that both the discs are black and black is 7 by 10 into 7 by 10, that is 49 over 100. And then the probability that both the discs are white into white is 3 by 10 into 3 by 10, which is 9 over 100, is basically our answer. It cannot be simplified further, so this is our answer. Okay, let's have a look at question. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 green balls. A ball is drawn and then replaced before a ball is drawn again. Draw a tree diagram and find the probability that 2 green balls are drawn. The first ball is red and the second ball is green. Okay, this is basically the tree diagram. The first ball is red, 5 by 8. The second ball is red, it's 5 by 8. First ball red, 5 by 8. Second ball green is 3 by 8. First ball green is 3 by 8. Second ball red is 5 by 8. First ball green is 3 by 8 and second ball green is 3 by 8. So we have to find the probability of 2 green balls. So the probability of 2 green balls is green into green is 3 by 8 into 3 by 8, which is 9 over 64 is our answer. And the probability that the first ball is red and the second ball is green is first ball is red and second ball is green is 5 by 8 into 3 by 8. That is 15 over 64 is basically our answer. Okay. A bag contains 7 green discs and 3 blue discs. A disc is drawn and then replaced. Draw a tree diagram and find the probability below. Both discs are green and both discs are blue. Okay, this is basically the tree diagram. Probability of green is 7 by 10. Probability of green disc is 6 by 9. Probability of green is 7 by 10. Probability of blue is 3 by 9. Probability of blue is 3 by 10. Probability of green is 7 by 9. So probability of 2 green disc is 7 by 10 into 6 by 9 since the disc has been replaced. The second disc was drawn and it was not replaced, so that is why we have a reduction in the total. So we have 2 green discs is 7 by 10 into 6 by 9, that is 42 over 90. Simplify it, we get 7 over 15. And probability of both discs are blue is blue into blue. 3 by 10 into 2 by 9, which is 6 over 90, that is 1 over 15 is basically our answer. Okay, let's have a look at this question. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls and 2 yellow balls. A ball is drawn and not replaced. A second ball is drawn. Find the probability of drawing 2 red balls, 1 blue ball and 1 yellow ball, 2 yellow balls. Okay, the probability of 2 red balls is 5 by 10 into 4 by 9 is equal to 20 over 90, which is 2 by 9 in its simplified form. The probability of 1 blue ball and 1 yellow ball is 2 times 3 by 10 into 2 by 9, which is 12 over 90, which is 2 by 15. And the probability of 2 yellow balls is equal to 2 by 10 into 1 by 9, that is 2 over 90, and that is 1 over 45 in its simplified form.